दिखाई नहीं आता तो कितनी जल्दी जल्दी होगी। हाँ हाँ
The Carnival Festival
हाँ हम भी आई हुआ देखते ही महीना ये लास्ट होते थे इन्हें क्षमा है तो उन्हें कभी सुना है।
Carnival Festival Andhra Pradesh
हाँ
Srivuri Brahmosత్సవం Festival Andhra Pradesh Srivuri Brahmosత్సవం Festival Andhra Pradesh
जरा बोलो अच्छा तरह एक दो दिन मतलब घेरे के लिए दो दिन तो आ जाए
विशाखोत्सव Andhra
और
Pradesh
खाना हो गया।
तिरुपति विशाखा उत्सव आंध्र प्रदेश
हाँ
तिरुपति गंगा जतारा आंध्र प्रदेश पक्के पागा हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल अरुणाचल प्रदेश होली वुड येलो फेस्टिवल अरुणाचल प्रदेश वेरी वुड येलो फेस्टिवल अरुणाचल प्रदेश यमुना रिवर फेस्टिवल अरुणाचल प्रदेश आलो टाउन यमोंगो रिवर फेस्टिवल अरुणाचल प्रदेश आलो टाउन द यमोंगो रिवर फेस्टिवल सियांग रिवर फेस्टिवल is held to celebrate communal harmony in Arunachal Pradesh. The main purpose of the festival is to highlight the vast potential of tourism in the state and to attract Indian as well foreign tourists. Solang Festival Arunachal Pradesh. One of the popular agriculture festival, Solang is celebrated by the Adi tribes. The festival is celebrated in the first week of September after the sowing of seeds to seek prosperity and a good harvest. Bihu Assam. Kati Bihu Festival. Bihu Assam. Kati Bihu Festival is celebrated across Assam. Dwai Dwijing Festival Assam. Dwijing Festival Assam. Dwijing Festival Assam. Ambobachi Mela Assam. Ambobachi Mela Assam. The next part is Baikho Festival Assam. Baikho Puja is a pre-harvest festival of the Raghas in Assam, during which they pray their deity of wealth to bring sufficient rains for a bumper crop. Baikho Festival Assam. Baikho Puja is a pre-harvest festival of the Raghas in Assam, during which they pray to their deity of wealth to bring sufficient rains for a bumper crop. May Dam May Feast Festival. May Dam May Fee Festival. May Dam May Fee is the most important ancestor worship communal festival in the Ahom religion, celebrated by the Ahom people on 31st January every year in memory of departed. It is the manifestation of the concept of ancestor worship that the Ahoms share with other peoples originating from the Thai stocks. It is a festival to show respect to the departed ancestor and remember their contribution to society. Chhat Puja Bihar. Chhat is a Vedic ritual dedicated to Hindu solar deity Surya and goddess Sakshi. Surya and goddess Shasthi, also called Chhati Maiya, along with his consort Usha and Pratyusa, the Vedic goddess of dawn and dusk, respectively. The Chhat Puja is observed in order to thank them for bestowing four bounties of life on earth and to request the guarantee for certain pieces. Pritapaksh Mela Bihar. Pritapaksh Mela Bihar. This Mela is held in Gaya each year in the month of September. In this fair, people from all parts of the country come to worship their ancestors as part of the Shraddha ritual. The Gayales, descendants of the Maga Brahmas, perform the Shraddha ceremony. Rajgir Mahotsav, Bihar. Rajgir is the ancient capital of Magadha Empire in Bihar and is an area held sacred by both Jains and Buddhists because of its long association with Buddha and Mahavira. A Rajgir Mahotsav is held every year by Department of Tourism, Bihar. It is a colorful festival and dance and music. Bihula, Bihar. Bihula Festival, Bihar. The Bihula Festival is mainly prominent in Bhagalpur district of Bihar. This festival is rather famous in the eastern Bihar and has various myths associated with it. People pray to goddess Mansa to protect their families. This festival is held during the month of August each year. The festival celebrates the brilliant Manjusa, the art which is as magnificent as other art form found in Bihar. Sao Jao Festival. Sao Jao Festival. Sao Jao or Sao Jao is a Catholic festival ceremony in Goa in an unusual manner, with people leaping into swimming and wells, streams and ponds as a form of tribute to Saint Joseph Baptist. East August 24 June every year. Bhavnath Fair, Gujarat. The Bhavnath Mahadev Mela is held at the Bhavnath Mahadev temple situated at the foot of Mount Girnar, the city of Junagadh. Girnar is a holy abode of the ninth or the nine Natha or gods who are considered to be eternal and 84 Siddha or religiously uplifted souls. A 5-day Bhavnath Mahadev fair is held during the festival of Mahashivratri, which is a worldwide tourist attraction. Ran Utsav, Gujarat. Ran of Kutch Festival, also called as Kutch Festival or just Ran Utsav, a 3-month-long celebration held at the edge of White Run every year during winter for 3 months as a part of Gujarat Tourism and Kutch Tourism. The government of Gujarat decided to set up a tent city near White Run. Samlaji Fair, Gujarat. In the month of November, pilgrims in huge numbers make their way to Samlaji Fair. Samlaji is a small stream on the bank of Mysore River. People visit Samlaji Fair to take a holy dip in the pious Meisuo River, which looks best during the festival, sparkling and pristine. Goddess Samlaji, who drives a Kaleo the dark divinity, is revered by the people of tribal community as they have faith in the power of divinity. International Kite Festival, Gujarat. Since very long, the city of Ahmedabad has hosted the International Kite Festival as a part of official celebration of Uttarayan, when master kite makers and flyers from all over the world demonstrate their unique creation and wow the crowds with highly unusual kites. Sri Renukaji Fair, Himachal Pradesh. It is a religious assembly dedicated to Lord Parshurama and his mother Bhagavati Renukaji. The fair said to be a 5,000-year-old tradition. I start with the arrival of palanquin of Lord Parshurama on the bank of Renukaji Lake. The palanquin is brought from a temple situated in Jammu Koti village, and from part of the country have arrived to witness the holy event. According to Puranas, Hindu religious text, Renuka Tirth is considered as the birthplace of Lord Parshurama, the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Family Festival of Himachal Pradesh. The tradition, the tradition family, the tradition family festival was celebrated in Jampa village of Kinnaur district in Himachal Pradesh. The festival is organized to observe the victory of the God our Father. The festival is celebrated to mark the end of winter or the beginning of spring. It is celebrated in the entire valley of moonless night of Amavasya. International Navy Fair, Himachal Pradesh. The 4-day-long International Navy Fair is organized in the Rampur district of Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. The Navy Fair is almost 400 years old and dates back to time when Raja Behari Singh of Rampur, Gusar state, signed a treaty to promote trade with Tibet. Every year, the main attraction during the fair is the ancient and purchase of Jamurti horses and endangered species of horses, which traces its origin to Tibet Buddhism. Jamurti horses are also well known as the Sikh of the Hopeful Desert. So, आज के लिए